Hey tech enthusiasts, have you ever wished your glasses could do more than just help you see better? Well, hold on to your frames because today I'm diving into the world of AI-powered eyewear with the brand new Ergo Vision glasses. So, what makes these glasses a game changer? Let's start with the headline. Feature: the integration of OpenAI's GPT-4o model. Yep, you heard that right. These glasses allow you to chat with ChatGPT. Imagine walking down the street and asking, "What am I looking at?" Or, "Hey, which way to the nearest coffee shop?" And bam, your glasses respond. But wait, there's more. Ergo Vision isn't just about chatting. Equipped with a built-in camera, don't worry, it's detachable. They can capture photos too. Just, don't expect to shoot any Hollywood blockbusters because they lack video recording. But hey, selfies are still very much on the table. Now, let's talk battery life. Solos, the creators of Ergo Vision, claim these glasses have an all-day battery life. That's right, you can go from dawn to dusk without worrying about your smart assistant dying on you. And for those who love notifications, these glasses have got you covered with LED alerts that adapt to your environment. Quiet meeting? A discreet flash, loud concert? A bright LED light. It's like having a personal assistant that understands when to whisper or shout. Customization is a big deal here. The modular frame design means you can swap out parts like cameras and lenses. And if you're wondering about style, they've got you covered with 3 different frame styles starting at $249.99. Need to replace a part? Additional frames start at $89. It's like building your own pair of smart glasses, Lego style. If you're thinking, hey, this sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, you're not wrong. Ergo Vision is a significant step towards the futuristic eyewear we've seen in films. It's like having a mini Jarvis right on your face. So what does this mean for the future of wearable tech? We're looking at smarter, more integrated devices that make our daily lives easier and more connected. And honestly, who wouldn't want that? If you're excited about AI glasses and want to stay updated on the latest tech trends, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon too, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.